Why do you need daily protein intake? Are you curious about why protein is an essential nutrient for your body? Do you want to learn more about the benefits of consuming protein on a daily basis? If so, this video is for you. Protein is a macronutrient that is required for the growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues, including muscles, organs, and skin. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of life. There are 20 different types of amino acids, and 9 of them are considered essential, meaning that your body cannot produce them on its own and you need to obtain them through your diet. Benefits of protein. Benefits of protein intake includes muscle growth and repair, improved immune function, better bone health, increased satiety and weight management, reduced risk of chronic diseases, etc. The amount of protein that you need each day depends on several factors, including your age, sex, weight, and activity level. On average, it is recommended that adults consume between 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Sources of protein: meat, poultry, and fish, dairy products, legumes and beans, nuts and seeds. In summary, protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy body. By consuming protein on a daily basis, you can reap numerous health benefits and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So, make sure to include protein-rich foods in your diet and meet your daily protein needs. If you want to learn more about the importance of protein and how to meet your daily protein needs, you can visit our website homegymindia.in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.